Hi, my name is Jane Francis and you're welcome back to my channel. This is a space that I created to help you build the confidence needed to speak English fluently. By subscribing to this channel, you will learn to improve your English for work, school, and everyday conversations. Today, we will look at common English mistakes made by second language English speakers. Many second language English speakers make grammatical slips without even realizing it. Expressions like senior brother, plumpy, and off the light may sound normal, but they are not correct in standard English. That is the reason I created this lesson, to show you the right way to say them so that you speak more correctly and effectively. But before we dive into today's lesson, please click that red button staring you in the face. Okay, let's dive right in. Mistake number 1. I'm coming. Many people say I'm coming when they are leaving and will soon be back. In standard English, it is wrong. I'm coming means that you're already on your way to a place, and it doesn't mean that you're leaving to return soon. So it is wrong to say I'm coming when you're leaving. Rather, you say I will be right back or I will soon be back. Mistake number 2. I stood on queue for hours. Now this is wrong. The preposition used in this example is wrong. You don't stand on queue, you stand in a queue. Mistake number 3. I want to collect money from the bank. Now, it is wrong to use the word collect in this case. Collect means to receive something from somebody else. When you want to take your own money from the bank, it is wrong to say collect. It is better to say withdraw. So instead of saying, I want to collect money from the bank, you say, I want to withdraw money from the bank. Mistake number 4, off the light. Now, many people are guilty of this. Many second language speakers of English are guilty of this. They say off the light when they mean turn off the light. It is wrong because off by itself is not a verb in standard English. Instead of saying off the light, you say switch off the light or turn off the light. It is better to use the complete phrase switch off or turn off. Mistake number 5. He is my senior brother. Now this is wrong. It is wrong to say senior brother. Why? Senior is a word that is used to indicate rank or position. We can have senior lecturer, senior officer, So it is wrong to say senior brother. In family relationships, you say elder. He is my elder brother. You do not say senior. In the same vein, you should say younger brother instead of junior brother. Mistake number 6. He traveled outside the country. This is wrong. Don't say he traveled outside the country. Instead, say he traveled abroad. Later in the night. Later in the night. Do you say later in the night? My dear, that is wrong. Instead of saying later in the night, instead of using in this sentence, in this expression, you use at. So you say later at night. In this example, instead of saying I'll come later in the night, you say I'll come later at night. Enter a bus. Enter a bus is literal translation. In standard English, you say board a bus or get on a bus. So instead of saying I want to enter a bus, you say I want to board a bus. Okay? On bed. Now, when lying or resting, you do not say I am on bed. Instead, you say I am in bed. On bed is used when someone is physically on top of the bed, but not lying or resting. Now, when someone is sitting on the bed, when something is placed on the bed, on that surface of the bed, you say on bed. But when somebody is resting or lying, you say in bed. So we can say the book is on the bed, The pen is on the bed. The baby is playing on the bed. But when lying or resting, you use in bed. Borrow me. Borrow me your pen. It is wrong to use borrow me here. It is better to say lend. Use lend in this case. Lend me your pen. This one, many people are guilty of this one. Stuffs. Always adding S to stuff. Stuff is an uncountable noun. It doesn't take an S. So when you say, bring my stuffs here, it is wrong. It is better to say, bring my stuff here because it is an uncountable noun. I want to ease myself. Many people say, I want to ease myself when they want to use the toilet. Is it right to say? I do not think so. Now, instead of saying, I want to ease myself, you say, I want to use the restroom or I want to use the bathroom. Disvirgin. I've often seen even educated people make this mistake. It is wrong to say disvirgin because disvirgin is not an English word. In standard English, you say deflower or to lose virginity. So do not say disvirgin anymore. You say deflower. Go slow. I still wonder why people say go slow. Honestly, it is wrong to say that. Go slow may be locally understood, but internationally, many people may not understand you when you say it. So instead of saying go slow, you say traffic jam or gridlock or even hold up. Reply back, revert back. These two are usually used by people, and it is wrong to say reply back or revert back. It is better to say reply or revert because when you say reply, there is no need adding back to it. It becomes tautology. So it is better to say reply or revert. Okay? Many people use the word plumpy without even realizing that it is not a real English word. Instead of saying plumpy, use the correct adjective, which is plump. That baby is plump. Instead of saying that baby is plumpy, we say that baby is plump. The last but not the least, trafficate. Most people say trafficate all the time. They say don't forget to trafficate before turning. Now, it is wrong to say because trafficate is not a standard English. You can say use your indicator or use your signal before turning instead of saying trafficate before turning. And that's it. We've come to the end of today's lesson. We've looked at common mistakes made by second language English learners. So which of them are you guilty of? Tell me in the comments. I'll not tell anyone. Tell me in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, share, and turn on your notification bell. My name is Jane Francis, and I appreciate you for being here. Until next time, goodbye for now.